Hello guys, today I am with Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and I would like to show you how to change the refresh rate of your display on this device. So let's open the settings, click on the display, and as you can see there is the option called multi-on smoothness. So click on it, and as you can see currently set up on the high refresh rate 120 Hz, and we can change it to the standard refresh rate. There is 60 Hz and get a longer battery life. So you have to choose between the less smooth and the high smoothness. I think that this 120 Hz it's a game changer in the smartphone, so highly recommend to use it. So yeah, this is how it looks guys. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.